Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Okay, so let's open. It's open like this. Oh, let's try it this way. Alright. Okay, so what's this? Oh my gosh! Also, this is the Sandisk. This is a memory card. Yeah, memory card. So this is a Extreme Pro. So this is a nice one. Is it, Talent? So how much in the how many thing? 200 megabyte. 200 megabyte.
128.
128 gigabyte.
Yeah.
So there's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of the higher capacity ones. Not the highest, but one of the higher ones.
Yeah.
They were on special offer. About £25 each, just under £25 each.
Under 25 pounds each.
Yeah, just under 25.
Okay, so guys, this is another one here. Another. Let's open
I
it.
noticed they got some which are the same capacity but supposed to be faster.
Yeah.
But they cost so much more. It's like £100 plus just for one card.
Just for one card. So it's like how much is the capacity?
Well, capacity is the same, but they're supposed to be faster when you're like downloading, uploading, whatever.
Oh.
But
So this
they're
is
so too expensive.
these are the same.
Yeah.
They're the same. So they're the Extreme Pro. Wow. Amazing. Wow, I got more memory card. Another one, guys.
We are running
Look
out
at
of these. The other ones are the slightly slower ones, the one with the gold label.
Yeah. So one more. Yes. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'll be filming too much now. Okay, so this is the third one, guys. Okay, and wait, there's another one. Look at this. So I will be very busy, guys. Oh my gosh, it's a different one. What's that? Uni. Micro SD card reader. So how do you do that?
I got that because it's supposed to be faster, but I don't know. Some of the reviews said it doesn't work at all. Some said it does, and it is faster. So what you do is put the memory card in there and then plug that in to the computer. It's quite cheap, so I thought I'll just get one and see. You can try.
Oh, so how much is this?
I think it's about £12.
You think it's that cheap?
Yeah, that's cheap if it works. If it doesn't, we'll send it back.
So look at that, guys.
I wanted to get the Sandisk brand, but for some reason the Sandisk brand's lead is the other type, C type, which your computer doesn't have. It only fits some laptops. Because this is a proper USB. And is it blue in the USB?
Yeah, it's blue.
Yeah, because they're supposed to be faster.
So it's two different kinds of memory card to put in there. Small
Yeah,
one.
yeah, the
Small one.
the micro and the normal SD.
Oh, so that's micro, the small one.
Yeah. So next time you're going to upload or download into your computer a memory card, put it in here first and then plug this into the blue USB socket and see if it does download any faster. Next time just use this and see if it is fast.
Okay.
and see if it works. It might not work at all, as I said. Some reviewers said it doesn't work.
Because I thought it's like charger, like
No.
so this is to transfer. Yeah, okay, so that's fine. And then put this in the thing. It's blue.
Yeah, plug it
Yeah.
into the blue. Put the
Okay.
memory card in there first.
Yeah.
And then plug
That's
it
good
in.
because this is so cute. I can't take this anywhere. But do I need to? I don't upload when I'm outside. I only upload it in my computer on desktop. I don't even upload on laptop. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So this one I got 3 of these memory card and 1 of these. How do you call that?
And this one, card reader, I think.
Card reader.
Memory card reader.
Yeah. USB micro SD card reader. Yeah, it's card reader.
Normal
So that's
SD card and micro SD.
Yeah, so that's the thing. It's so cute. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much, darling, for buying this thing for me.
You're welcome, madam.
Yeah.
There.
Okay, so that's it. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Tara! Love, love, love.